Good day, everyone. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss Cartesian coordinate system. Okay? So first, in Cartesian coordinate system, we have so-called the number line. And the number line is a one-dimensional coordinate system. So when we say first coordinate, it is a location. Okay? So here is our number line. So it is one-dimensional coordinate system because it moves to the right and left only. So this number line, so we can extend it right and left. So as long as you can. Kung ano yung kailangan nyo, so pwede nyo i-extend yung number line na yan. Okay? So if we have the left and right, and we have also up and down, so that is called a Cartesian coordinate system. So composed of horizontal line and the vertical line. So since we can move right, left, up and down, so therefore this is a two-dimensional coordinate system. We can move to the right and to the left. So it can also move or extend up and down. Next. So in Cartesian coordinate system, it is a system used for graphing number pairs. It is also called rectangular coordinate system, or pwede din natin siyang tawagin Cartesian coordinate plane or Cartesian plane shortcut. So mas madalas po siya tinatawag Cartesian plane. Next, so he is René Descartes. Okay, from 1596 to 1650. So René Descartes, he discovered Cartesian coordinate system. So he is a French mathematician, philosopher, and theologian. He came up with many of his philosophical and mathematical ideas during his morning meditation. So Sir René Descartes, mas nagme-meditate siya or mas gumagana yung utak niya during morning. Okay? So may mga tao po talagang ganyan. So, yan po yung characteristics ni René Descartes who discovered Cartesian coordinate system. So, this is the Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, yan po yung magiging itsura ng Cartesian plane natin. Okay. So, first, this is a horizontal line. So, itong line na yan. And that horizontal line is the x-axis. So, yan po yung magiging x-axis natin. So, if we have the horizontal line, we have also vertical line. And that is our y-axis. Okay? So, based on sa horizontal line natin and the vertical line, so we have the x-axis and the y-axis. So, may mabubuo po tayo ng coordinate axis. Okay? Diyan po manggagaling yung coordinates natin sa value ng x-axis and the y-axis. Okay. So, we have here the point of origin. Okay? Sa gitna. Yung point of intersection ng horizontal line and vertical line natin. That is origin and the coordinates po, okay, or the ordered pair is 0, 0. Next. So, how many quadrants do we have in our Cartesian coordinate system? Okay, so that's right. So, we have 4 quadrants. First is the quadrant 1. So, this is the location or the region of our quadrant 1. So from here, going there, so extendable po yan. So if we have quadrant 1, we have also quadrant 2. So this is the region of our quadrant 2. Next, quadrant 3. So this is our quadrant 3. And last one is our quadrant 4. This is the region of our quadrant 4. Okay? Next. So, Cartesian coordinate system. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na ordered pair. So, again, saan ba magagaling yung ordered pair natin? Our ordered pair consists of x, comma, y. Okay? So, meron dapat or we have the value of our x and y. So, yung value ng x natin is magagaling dito sa x-axis natin or in our horizontal line. Okay? While in the value of our y is manggagaling sa y-axis or in the vertical line. Okay, so our x, okay, itong x na to, this is called the x-coordinate or the abscissa. Ito, again, so our x, in our ordered pair ha, so this x is called the x-coordinate or the abscissa. So, yung magiging value nitong x na to. And our y, that is called the y-coordinate or ordinate. Next, so since we have 4 quadrants, so as I have said before, so we have 4 quadrants in our Cartesian coordinate system. So first, in quadrant 1, okay, so let's identify the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. So again, kapag nag-identify po tayo ng ordered pair, magsisimula po tayo lagi sa origin and then first is x-coordinate muna tayo from the origin, then hahanapin muna natin yung x-coordinate, that is that is x, okay, and y. Okay, so since in the quadrant 1, this is our region, so as you can see, therefore this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. So since yung x-axis natin is positive, positive yung value niya going to right, so therefore our x-coordinate is also positive. And our y-coordinate is going to up. So therefore, positive din yung value niya. Therefore, our y-coordinate is also positive. Okay, so therefore, our ordered pair is positive, positive. It lies on the quadrant 1. Okay po, another one. So in quadrant 2, okay, so let's identify the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. So since our x-axis, so this one, from the origin going to left because that is negative. So this is our quadrant 2. So since this is negative, so therefore our x-coordinate is also negative. And the y-coordinate, so this is the y-axis, positive, so therefore our y-coordinate is positive. And our ordered pair is like that, negative, comma, positive. So it lies on the quadrant 2. Okay, next. So we have quadrant 3. So this is the region of our quadrant 3. Okay. So since our x-axis is still negative, okay po, so therefore negative din yung x-coordinate natin. And our y-coordinate or y-axis is negative, so therefore negative, negative. And our ordered pair is like that. Negative, negative, or both negative. Next. So we have quadrant 4. So this is the region of our quadrant 4. So first, identify first the x-coordinate. So since our x-axis in this region is positive, therefore it is positive. So our x-coordinate is positive and our y-coordinate is negative. So positive, negative, and our ordered pair is positive, comma, negative. So that's it. So yan po yung pag-identify ng ordered pair per quadrant. Next. So let's proceed with plotting of points. So plot the following points. Okay, but before that, so this is our x-axis. I forgot to write the x. Okay, so this is our x-axis. And this is our, meron pala kasi malabo. So this is our x-axis and the y-axis. Okay po. So, wag po natin kalimutan, lagi tayong maglalagay, this is our y, this is our x. Sa mga baguhan pa lang kasi nakakalito. Okay, so plot the point A, which is the ordered pair is 3, negative 2. Positive 3 and negative 2. Again, in plotting of points, lagi po tayong magsisimula sa origin and then first identify muna natin yung x coordinate which is 3 bago yung negative 2 which is our y coordinate. Okay, let's start. So let's find, so since it is positive, negative, so it lies on quadrant 4. Okay, so positive, negative. So let's try. So first is to identify positive 3. So from the origin, count 1, 2, and 3. So there. So since it is negative, so going down. Okay, 1, 2. So that is the point of intersection. Okay, point of intersection ng 3, negative 2. So that is our point A. Okay, so kapag nag-plot ng point, mas mainam kung gumamit tayo ng graphing paper. As long as basta pantay-pantay dapat yung point natin. Okay? Or pantay-pantay dapat yung box. Nakikita nyo yung mga box dyan. So, yan yung guide natin para kapag nag-plot tayo, hindi tayo mahirapan. Straight dapat. Pwede naman kayong gumamit ng plain paper but make sure na tama yung sukat. No? Okay. So that is our point A. Another way is like this. So identify first the point or our ordered pair 3, negative 2. So that is our 3, which is our x coordinate, and this is our y coordinate. Then draw a line. Okay? So same pa rin po siya ng kalalabasan. So doon pa rin po yung magiging point of intersection niya. Okay? Another one. So we have the point B, negative 5, 4. So negative, yung x-coordinate natin, positive yung 4. Okay. So count muna. Identify muna natin yung negative 5. Okay, there. And then yung 4. So draw a line. Magdo-draw tayo ng line. So kapag nag-draw tayo ng line, kailangan mag-intersect yung dalawa. And kung nasaan yung point of intersection, so nandun po yung point B natin. Okay. Next. So we have point C and our ordered pair 6, 5. So first, identify muna natin yung x-coordinate natin or abscissa which is 6, positive. So nandito sa right. So yan. And then our y coordinate positive 5 also. So going up, draw a line. Okay. Kung saan mag-intersect, so that is the point C. And point C is 6, 5. Okay. Next, we have negative 3, negative 7. So, parehas negative. So, it lies on the quadrant 3. Okay. So, identify first negative 3 in the x-axis. There. Negative 7 in the y-axis. Draw a line. And the point of intersection is, that is our point D. Another one. So point E is negative 6, negative 4. So again, parehas po negative or both negative. So it lies also in the quadrant 3. So identify first the negative 6 in the x-axis. So there. Negative 4 in the y-axis. Draw a line. Okay, so that is our point E. Okay? So madali lang po mag-plot ng points. Wag lang po tayo malito. Next. Okay, as you can see in our point F, so we have 0, negative 5. So kapag 0 yung x natin, so we will going to start or magsisimula tayo sa point of origin. Okay? So this is our point of origin, yung mismong intersection ni vertical line siya ni horizontal line. Okay, so that is our origin. So since 0 yung x natin, start here. And our y coordinate is negative 5, so going down. Okay, so that is our negative 5. And draw a line. So that is our point F. Okay, so since 0 yung x natin, so sa mismong value ng x coordinate natin, which is negative 5. So yan yung location ng point F natin. Next, so our point G is 7, negative 5. So, positive yung x-coordinate natin. So, identify muna natin. So, there, positive 7. Going down because our y-coordinate is negative 5. So, draw a line. So, the point of intersection is the point G. Okay? Last one. Okay, so we have negative 6, 0. So, this time, so 0 naman yung y-coordinate natin. Okay, identify first our x-coordinate. So, negative 6. So, going left. Okay, identify. So, there. And our y-coordinate is 0. So, therefore, that is our point H. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple. As easy as that. Okay, identify the quadrant. So, hindi na tayo mahihirapan mag-identify ng quadrant. So, since it is positive, negative, so therefore it is lie on the quadrant 4. Okay, positive yung x, negative yung y. Okay, x is negative, positive. So, it lies on the quadrant 2. Okay, negative naman yung x-coordinate natin or x-axis and then positive yung y. So, point C is lie on the quadrant 1 because it is both positive. Okay, pag parehas positive, it lie on the quadrant 1. Negative, negative, point B lies on the quadrant 3. As you can see, parehas negative. So, point E is also lie in the quadrant 3. Point F, positive, negative. So, lie on the quadrant. So, this time, okay, so 0 pala yung x coordinate natin. So, therefore, it lies on the y-axis. So, positive, negative, okay, lie on the quadrant 4. So, negative, positive. So, since 0 yung y-coordinate natin in point H, so it lie on the on the x-axis itself. Now, so we learned how to plot the points. So this time, so as you can see, we have here the figure or illustration. So, we have here the places and I want to go to there. So help me to find their locations. Okay, so as you can see, we have here the locations. First is we have the church. So I want to go to church. So this is the church. So we will identify the coordinates so that we can go there. Okay, so identify natin yung coordinates kung saan yung intersection. It means nandoon yung lugar na pupuntahan natin. So, church. First, again, kapag nag-identify ng ordered pair, lagi tayo magsisimula sa x-axis. Okay, x-coordinate mo na yung hahanapin natin. So, since it is the church and ito yung point of intersection ng dalawang coordinate, yung ordered pair natin, so, identify muna natin yung x coordinate natin. So, here, negative 6. Okay? So, negative 6. And our y coordinate, so since nasa taas, sa positive, so positive 5. So, negative 6 and positive 5, kung saan sila mag-i-intersect, nandun yung lugar na pupuntahan natin or yung church. Next is, gusto ko naman pumunta ng hospital. So, where is the hospital? So, here, and this is the point of intersection kung saan natin matatagpuan si hospital. So, first, identify muna natin yung x-coordinate. So, going there, so it lie on the quadrant 1, so therefore it is positive, both positive. Okay? So, going to the hospital. So, here, positive 5, yung x-coordinate natin. And our y-coordinate, so here, positive 1. And nandoon po yung hospital natin. So I want to go to school. And this is the point of intersection to find the school. First, identify the x-coordinate, so 3. And since it is in the quadrant 1, so both positive, so our y-axis is here, so positive 7. Okay? Next, so I want to go to the mall. Okay, so this is the point of intersection or the location of the mall. So as you can see, from the origin going to the mall, okay, so since it is going to the left, so negative yung magiging x-coordinate, negative 7. So as you can see, the mall is lie on the x-axis. So therefore, wala tayong value or 0 yung magiging y-coordinate natin. Next, after ko mag-shopping, gusto ko naman pumunta ng park. And this is the point of intersection in the park. Okay, so it lie on the quadrant 3. So therefore, it is both negative. So first, identify the x-coordinate. So negative 5. And our y-coordinate is negative 2. Okay. Now, after pumuntang park, didiretso sa market. Okay, so this is our market and that is our point of intersection. So this time, the market lie on the lie on the y-axis. Okay, so kung nakikita nyo yung point of intersection, it lies on the y-axis. So therefore, from the origin, 0 yung magiging x coordinate natin. And our y coordinate is positive 4 because, because the location lies on the y-axis. Okay, how about after mamalengke, magpa-salon naman? Okay, so I want to go to salon, and this is our salon, and this is the point of intersection. So it lies on the quadrant 4, so therefore identify first the x coordinate, so positive 4. So going down, so therefore our y coordinate is negative. So nandito siya. Going down, so negative 6. Okay. So after all, napuntahan ko na lahat, I want to go home. Gusto ko na umuwi. So this is the point of intersection of my home. So as you can see, the point of intersection of our home is in the origin, sa mismong origin natin. So therefore, the point is 0, 0. Because the origin has an ordered pair of 0, 0. Okay? Now, so you learned how to plot the points. You learned also how to identify or to determine the coordinates if if the location is given. So this time it's your turn to give the missing parts. Okay. So given the points or the location, so you need to give the ordered pairs. Okay. So this time it's your turn. So get one whole sheet of paper. Then answer 1 to 10 given the illustration here.